and welcome to this special pop-up edition of Magic in the Kitchen. I'm Betty, and today we're making, you guessed it, microwave popcorn. Pour a half cup unpopped kernels into a paper bag. Fold over twice and put in the microwave for 3 minutes. And that's it! Do you remember when we did this for our frozen dinner? 7 minutes! Next, I'm gonna pour melted butter. Oh, my bowl. And pour it in a bowl. Microwave popcorn. Thank you so much for joining us on Magic in the Kitchen. We'll see you next time.